Hi guys. I set up a camera in my basement in case I hear any noises. I've been hearing weird noises at night and I don't know what they are, so I've set up a camera. So I'm going to catch whatever is making that noise. Whatever wants to make the noise will definitely show itself. Now, I don't know if it's a man or a woman, who knows? But if it's a ghost, it will definitely want to show itself. So don't touch the camera. It's recording right now. It's in the basement. I had to set up a camera in the basement just to catch whatever is making that noise at night. I don't know. I've been woken up several times by weird noises in the house, so this might help. I hope it can catch whatever is haunting the house. Now, if it's my haunted doll, I don't know, but I might put the haunted doll downstairs in case it's the haunted doll moving, so we'll get an idea what's moving, folks. I am definitely going to place the haunted doll downstairs. It needs to be placed because I've been hearing noises and I don't know what they are, and they're starting to, it's sort of freaky because whatever is deciding to haunt my house won't show its face or just make a noise or click. Usually it's a few orbs and then clicks, so I think it will just show as orbs and clicks, but I can't be sure, but I think it lives in the house. Now, I'm not sure if it's the basement or the hallway, but whatever, it will be caught. Take care, folks.